Okay, here's the first gotcha. You guys are used to, notice I'm just clicking on the text tool here, you guys are used to clicking and dragging out a text box. This is the crime that PowerPoint has committed that has trained you guys to do this. I'm just going to hit delete. I do not, under any circumstances, want to see you drawing out a text box unless it's called area type in Illustrator, unless you're writing a paragraph. Right now, I want you to just click and you have an insertion point, and that insertion point is very, very tiny. And that's because the text is 120. I'm going to change this to 250. And I don't know if that's the right size. When I hit return, now the cursor is flashing. It's much larger. And type something. I don't know. Type whatever you want. And then select it. Just click with this direct selection tool, the black arrow, and this is selected. Now we can make this, different size. We can type in different sizes. We can grab a corner. Don't do this. Don't stretch the pizza. Don't do that. Hold down Shift and you constrain the proportions so you're not destroying the typeface. Okay? Then, what do you want? You want different colors? You have swatches. I think you're on libraries by default here. If you click on swatches, hey look, you got a few different colors. But this color panel, see this little double-headed arrow? Switches back and forth. This may not do you a lot of good, but one more time. You got this whole big spectrum you can pick from. Or you just double-click on the fill here. Double-click down here. There's all kinds of places where you can pick this and pick out whatever color you want. And this is how you set the colors. If you click OK, I don't want to really click that. Come down here, we'll pick some kind of orange. We'll just pretend like that's orange, say OK, and now we got that. Okay? Layers, I want to see it. I'm going to double click on this word. There's my layer. Let's say I want a different color background. I don't want white. Well, click on the new layer. New layer icon. Now I have a new layer. This is on top of this layer though. I want it below this layer. Now down here I can grab the rectangle tool and pick a different fill color. Now here I get swatches. I don't want swatches. I want to be able to pick any color I want. Let's say I want that dark gray right there, just for whatever reason, and my text change. Command Z, I'm going to undo. My text changed because it was still selected. Click away. I'm going to click on this, and then I'm still, let's get back down to this bottommost layer. See, the layers changed because I had selected that. Now I can click and just drag from one side to the other, and I've got this orange background, which I didn't want. I forgot I wanted to change this, and that's easy enough done. And now I've got the MacLab. I can click on this. I can move it into position, and this is not done. I want you to play with this. I want you to work, and I don't know what else you're going to do. You figure it out. You make your pretty background. Work all period. Experiment. See what you can do. There's no right and wrong here. If you accidentally move the background, I'm going to Command Z to undo. It's Edit, Undo, right? Command Z walks you back and forth. Hey, you want to lock it? Click there. Now I can't move that background. It stays there no matter what. Have fun with this. The last step, I'm going to save for the web. Oh, File. I was going to use the shortcut. Save for the web right here is Shift Option Command S, and it saves out at the size you worked at. So it's going to be saved the correct size. And if you want to see this thing fit in the window, say fit on screen, and you can see exactly what this is. Oh, look, beautiful, horrible. And I'm going to go ahead and save this. You can put it anywhere you like. This is jumping into another folder. I'm just going to dump it on the desktop and then throw it away after I use it. Ideally you'd put this into your documents folder or something like that. This is a temporary file because when you log out of the guest account is gone. I'm going to switch over to the Finder, hide everything else. Whoops, hide everything else. Let's get out of the, sorry about that. I could have sworn I was in the Finder. There we go. And then just right click, change desktop background. And now I can add and, do that. I can just drag that right there. Close that and then throw this away. And this is what I want at the end of the period with 10 minutes left. Your beautiful desktop picture. And we're going to walk around the room and look. And I'm willing to bet that virtually everyone in this room is going to have a better result than me. This is terrible. Go ahead, have some fun, make your own. Let me get back to one I actually like, and have a good time.